Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to hide the Camtasia icon in the taskbar while recording. This can help you maintain a cleaner screen and make your videos look more professional. Let's get started. After installing Camtasia 2026 and opening the recorder, I immediately navigated to the settings, hoping to find an option to hide the icon while recording. To my surprise, I couldn't locate any setting for that purpose. At first, I thought I was just overlooking something, but then I discovered that the option to hide the icon in the taskbar had been removed entirely. I could hardly believe it. It felt like a bad joke. As an alternative, I learned that a workaround would be to install an older version of the software, specifically Camtasia 2019, where this option is still available. However, let me show you another solution that works while using the latest version of the software. The trick to hiding the Camtasia icon in the taskbar is to use a transparent icon. Here's how to do it. First, create a shortcut for Camtasia. Open the file location of the Camtasia recorder executable. Once you're there, drag the executable to your desktop to create a new shortcut. Next, head over to the website mentioned in the video description. There, you can download a transparent icon that you can use. This will effectively replace the Camtasia icon in your taskbar, giving you a cleaner look while recording. First of all, thank you to SOLIDBugs for providing the icon to help fix the bug in Camtasia recorder. To start, press the download button to get the transparent icon. Next, open the Properties window of the Camtasia recorder shortcut on your desktop. Click the Change Icon button and select the downloaded icon. As you can see, the shortcut icon is now gone from your desktop. When you launch Camtasia recorder, the icon won't appear in the taskbar. However, do note that there is a small indicator in the taskbar. If that bothers you, don't worry. I've made some more videos on how to hide icons in the taskbar, so make sure to check those out on my channel. That's it. Enjoy recording without the distracting icon. And thank you for watching. See you next time.